The sun is slowly coming up. Half moon in the sky, overlooking Jones Beach. You can smell the ocean. In the distance you see the Jones Beach Theater. Maybe, if you zoom in. A few cars are around here, but not many. People are not awake at this time, or if they are, perhaps they are on their way to work. Suckers. Just kidding. I just came from work. 5:30 in the morning. Yes, someone has to finish work at 5:30 in the morning, and someone needs to start work at 5:30 in the morning. Let's go to the water. Speaking of water, I'm not really much of a beach person, I have to admit. I love the ocean. Definitely love the ocean. I love the smell of the ocean. This smell of, I don't know, what is that smell? Rotting seaweed, dead fish. God, I love that smell. But I'm not much of a beach person. I should be taking my shoes off, right? Whew. Should I be taking my shoes off? I'm pretty sure I should. Who's parking behind me? Alrighty, we're trying that going to the beach part one more time. It is sandy. I don't really want to get too much sand in my shoes. No, I did not take my shoes off and socks. Should have probably, but it's probably also cold. You know, I'm a little sensitive on my feet. I don't want to step into cold sand. Then again, anytime I come here in the summertime, I mean, it's been years, the sand is usually so hot on your feet, especially if you're not used to like going barefoot all the time. I rarely go barefoot somehow. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. Let's go to the ocean. I don't remember this walk being this long. Then again, I don't walk that much these days. I sit on my butt all day, all night. Hi. Oh yes, we're getting there. Hey. Oh yes, we're getting there. We're getting there, all right. Hey, yes, I'm slowing down already. Getting a little tired. Walking in the sand. All right. Whew. It looks like someone was here before me. Those are not my footsteps. Let's take a look behind. So I guess it's low tide. Gotta be low tide. All this area here where I could see the footsteps. It's going downhill a little bit. Probably a good, to the water's edge, probably a good 6 feet elevation. 4 feet maybe. No, it's probably 6. Maybe more. Yeah, that's where the sun is supposed to come up any moment. It's a little foggy out there. But you know what? Before we enjoy the sunrise, let's start a new video. And let's do 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes of just the sound of the ocean. Yes, that means I'm gonna be staying quiet. Yeah. You don't want to hear me anyway. Ooh, water's coming. Water's coming. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it's not low tide. Maybe it's high tide. Get a little bit extra distance. All right, let's do this. So one thing we need to do is we need to put this up again. That way. You can't see. You can't see in. Oh my God. Wow. Whew. Ah. Yeah, parking lot's starting to fill up. People are coming, walking, rollerblading, hanging out at the beach. And we are going to bed. Wow, oopsie. Which way? It feels like I'm falling one way. Maybe it means I have to lay the other way. I know I should be making my bed, but not today. I don't have any more time for that. Are you getting dizzy? Are you getting dizzy? I hope not. This is comfortable. It is comfortable. You know, having a there you go. It's probably too low, right? There we go. Now I notice the sun is coming from behind me, and I can feel actually the heat of the sun. Yes, you can feel that. But right now, I don't think I care. I want to sleep. And I want to sleep like a baby. And I don't want to wake up for a long time. Good night. Oh, this is nice. Yes, I have to listen to the cars on the highway. It's a price you have to pay sometimes to be where you need to be. I better actually turn the camera off before I really fall asleep. Anyway, I'll see you in a few hours. Maybe. Have fun.
so tired. It's warm in here. I mean, not unbearable warm, but warm. Means sitting in the sun. It's 1:15 in the afternoon. It's a good time. It's a good time to. It's a good time to get up. Keys. Left. Shoes. My first night sleeping in the van. Beautiful new floor. New mattress. I think this is memory foam. I don't know yet if I like it or not. I think the mattress needs another night to form an opinion on it. However, it's 100 times better than the floor. So let's get up. God, I'm totally congested. How did that happen? Give me a minute. Getting up is not easy. I hear car doors and people. It must be busy now. You'd expect it. It's a beautiful day out. Most definitely in the 80s. The way it feels in here, definitely. show you something. Let's see. Sorry about that. That window is cracked. I mean, it can't be opened, right? So, I don't know if you can see that. I opened that last night. So, there's a little bit of air coming in from there. And I think this is a good reminder that if you want to sleep in the car or van, you most likely want air circulation. Air circulation is important. Having it on opposing sides is a good thing, but sometimes not enough. You need a fan. Maybe not that big, maybe that big. But I need a fan in here, which means I need electric in here. And even better, air needs to circulate from one side to the other. That means there needs to be natural flow. So, I need natural flow is the back window, but I can't open those. I don't think. No, those can't be opened. Would have been nice, I guess. Anyway. I guess I will need a RV ceiling fan, like an exhaust fan. Cut a hole in the roof, put a fan inside. That would help tremendously with airflow. Because the light breeze does wonders. It does wonders. Just to be comfortable, you know. This is warm but bearable. But a nice breeze would still be nicer. In the summertime, though, it gets warmer and it gets what you may call it. It gets very humid. With humidity, you need better airflow with humidity. Otherwise, you'll be stewing in your own juices. Yeah. I guess it means I do need to rip out the ceiling covers so I can put a fan in. Maybe that's the next project. Or maybe not quite yet. I think before I do that, I need electricity. Yes, I need electricity. Now, for this mattress, it's ordered already. I have a bed frame coming. So we elevate the mattress off the ground a little bit. And then we can use the space under the mattress to install the electrical system, you know, like a battery and an inverter and a solar charge controller, and then we put a solar panel on the top somewhere. I said I'm getting up, right? Yeah, that's a minute. Just a minute for that. Getting up is not easy. do need to go bathroom. So there is a certain level of urgency attached to me getting up. But if that was not the case, I could be laying here for quite a long time. Oh yeah. But no, I do need to go. And there's people around. So I need to go. And I definitely believe that the bathroom is open. Which is how I could say. Yaha. Now, considering that the sun has been beating on this vehicle all morning already, and it's already 1:30 now, 1:27. It's not that hot in here. It's bearable, actually. I think if I was sitting in my car, it would be way warmer. The car's not insulated. The roof here has quite a bit of insulation in it, I believe. So if I rip this out, I have to make sure I'm gonna replace it with insulation. I can't just let that go. It needs to be insulated. It makes a ton of a difference. Definitely makes a ton of a difference. Alright. I'm getting up, right? Yeah. You know what else I need? I need handles. Like seriously, I need handles attached to the vent somehow to assist me with pulling myself up. You know, my back is weak. I'm a big guy. I can just easily get up. I've got to do this a little bit of swing and a roll. Being close to the floor is not a good thing, actually, because I can't sit up properly. Come on, you can do it. Jesus. See, the biggest problem is waking up. It's not waking up. It's finding the energy to roll yourself into a upright position. Fat people problems. Why? Whoa, getting dizzy. But also, whoa, what is it with all these cars? Holy, you gotta see this. You've got to see this. Look at that. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Cars everywhere. This lot is full. That's a lot of cars. What are they all doing here? What are they all doing in my beautiful, quiet sunrise spot? Unbelievable. Don't these people have jobs? Maybe they saw on the calendar 80 degrees. They all said, you know what, boss, I'm not coming in today, tomorrow, whenever they figure that out. Yeah, the bathroom is definitely open. There's a ton of people here. Wow. I definitely gotta use that bathroom now. All right. So I still feels nice actually. Actually has some coolness attached to it, which is nice. All right, need to get dressed. Just kidding. Now I do need to wash the shoes. They are due. Oopsie. It's a little sandy over here. Shoes do need washing. So, I don't mind waking up here, even with the people. However, we definitely need more comfort, which means access to electricity. Yeah, I think with electricity, a proper fan, exhaust, intake, solar would be very comfortable, or should be very comfortable. I mean, that is what kind of allows you to do everything else too. Charge your phone, my camera, have a light on. make a pot of coffee. Oh, phone is kind of warm. Not sure why. But I think the next, oopsie, why are you falling over? I think the next order of business is the edging of the floor. Okay. Bathhouse, here we come. Too many people. Oh yeah, there's people everywhere. Everywhere. And it's not even summer yet. You know what the advantage is to driving a van in an area where there's no vans or hardly any vans? Your car is easy to find, especially if you have a stupid roof rack like I do. You want to see it? Yeah. That sticks out from the bottom. But I'm also happy to report that apparently I'm not the only one. There's a van over here. I see at least 3 more actually. Nice green one here and a white one behind it. So I'm uploading the video right now. It's supposed to take 20-25 minutes or so, maybe. Well, there's 4 vans. I've seen several of them now. Alright, so I don't feel so much out of place anymore. Not out of place at all. Gotta remember to close this. Don't want to leave that open. But yeah. So I went to the bathroom. The beach is packed, man. The beach is absolutely packed. It's crazy. What are all these people doing here? Don't they have a life? Don't. Don't they have a life? And others, of course they do. So. I gotta find a way to put my phone down in here. Thirst quenched. So yeah, the beach is packed, people everywhere.
I mean, obviously the parking lot is packed. It's such a crazy thing to observe. What is this? Somerset Gardens, an actual bus. Well, if that one makes it here, then I can make it here too. I guess not a lot of people drive a van, actually. It's not a real popular recreational vehicle. Okay, but next thing I want to show you. All right, is it still running? Yeah. Okay. This outlet doesn't have a good connection, so it's kind of loose. This would have to be replaced if I want to actually use this. It's no good. This outlet is good. However, this outlet does not turn off when the engine is turned off. It stays on. Now, with a tiny draw like this right now, just like the stationary draw for the tiny little light, maybe that won't matter. And maybe that matters enough to drain the battery and, prevent me from starting the car. Now, one thing that is still possible, I haven't tested that. I'll test that maybe tomorrow. Actually, I can test it right now. So when I turn the engine off, the light remains on inside the car for a few seconds at least, and then the light goes off. So let's see if the same thing happens to the outlet. Right, so this is off. I know the radio is still on until I open the door. That's when that one goes away, but this one is still on, and that is still on. So when that light goes out, this should go out. Otherwise, this outlet can be very dangerous because I don't want a phantom load draining my battery. So now we see it should only take a minute or so for the light. The center light here doesn't work, or I have it turned off. Okay, so this one turned just off. And this one is still on. Okay, that proves my point. That outlet is always powered. Now, one other thing that is always powered, even when the engine is off, is the radio. Because the radio doesn't have a memory function otherwise. It needs power to remain. So maybe this is not going to be a big deal. Then again, maybe it is going to be a big deal. So I've got to play it careful with that. For now, I need to plug my phone in. Didn't hear anything. Let me double check. So, it's now time for brekkie breakfast. What are we going to have for breakfast? We are going to have a little Red Bull, because Red Bull gives you wings. Yoo-hoo. Caffeine, definitely need that. What? That is. I think that's on the other side. Oh, not too thrilled about that development. I've got that over here. I've got to see. For now, everything I want to do is a problem. I mean, we don't say problem, right? We say challenge. Everything we do is a challenge of some kind, because nothing is easy. Nothing is in the proper place. And nothing is organized yet. Because obviously we don't have anything to organize yet. I only just finished the floor. Clearly we aren't ready yet. So for everything that we want to do, we always have to move stuff around. There was a little bee. The little bee doesn't know where it belongs yet. It's a little early in the season. It's surprised. All right. So breakfast for champions. What are we gonna be having is, and God, I normally don't eat this stuff. People are watching. Can't have people watching. But it is Chef Boyardee. Can you see it from far behind? There you go. Spaghetti meatballs from Chef Boyardee. I also just realized I don't have a garbage bag here. Oh well, it's fine. So, the satisfying sound. It's a little dried on there. I hope it's not bad. Right, the point here is independence. I slept in the van. I was comfortable. I had a soft mattress, blanket, and a pillow. I was protected from the elements. I had a beverage. To quench my thirst, I was able to go to the bathroom, which was actually nice. Definitely needed to do more than just number one. Now I'm back here, enjoying something to eat. Canned goods, very independent, long lasting. You don't need heat for that. No cooking required, right? Which is the point. I know you're gonna be thinking that you're not eating that cold out of the can. And you know what? Yes, I am eating that cold out of the can. Absolutely am. Oh, this guy's gonna park next to me. I'm gonna put the camera away. Or at least down. I hate people. I hope I didn't mention that before. Did I mention that before? Oh yeah, he's gonna park right next to me. God. With 500 open parking spots, who needs to park next to me? I never understand it. Look at the juicy meatball. What's not to love? So right now, because I don't want to drain the car and the battery, I have the engine running so I can plug my phone in and charge it. The battery was down to like 50%, just under 50. With all the video taking I've been doing, you know, for the sunrise and all. That was way over an hour of video shooting. Drained the battery good. Plus a couple of videos now.
So it adds up. Oh, I'm also currently, might be finished by now, uploading the sunrise to YouTube. So that might be live by the time I'm eating. Or will definitely be live by that time. That takes also quite a bit of battery power. Now, running this car's engine is very inefficient for charging my battery on the phone. So we shouldn't make a habit out of that. But that is why we need that electrical system set up. Imagine a day like this. On a day like this, by this time, I would have made already, I probably could have made over 600 watts of energy to recharge batteries, do cooking, run a fan, lights, refrigerator, you name it. Oh, charge a phone. Always out ever touching the car battery. As a matter of fact, it would have trickle charged the car's battery as well. So, yeah, for now we just leave it running. I'm also running an experiment on fuel efficiency, because I need to know what the mileage is on the vehicle. We need to figure that out. If we don't know how far we can go, how can we plan to go anywhere? Right, so this was item number 1. And next is gonna be item number 2, spam. Because, just because. The things we do. I don't have a knife on me, so that's another. I didn't. Oops, Jesus, caught it. It's cold. Not the greatest. I mean, it's not cold, it's warm. But it's cold compared to a frying pan or microwave or so. It's meat. It's protein. People making noise. I don't like that. I wonder if you can even see my face in this one. The cameras, I don't know. Is the angle good? I might be shooting all of this for nothing. I gotta delete it. Nice room temperature Red Bull. That certainly gives you wings. Doesn't make you ice water, but it gives you wings, I guess. It's caffeine. our friend. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Sing the Simon Garfunkel. Not like I know anything about music. I just happen to like that song. See, the problem with using your phone to shoot video is that you can't play on your phone while you shoot video. What are you staring at? I hate people. God. So I would love to check if the video is finished uploading, test view it. Making sure everything is where it belongs. So we can fix it if I have to. But then I can't shoot a video of me doing exactly that. It kind of shows that your primary camera shouldn't be your primary computer. Oh well. Well, let me check out my videos.